This is the Conveyor module, which comes pre-packaged with the latest release of FlexSim. We set out to create a high-quality conveyor building system to replace the conveyor objects found in earlier versions. It provides the detail and realism necessary to model any conveyor system in FlexSim. Building a conveyor system in your simulation model has never been easier or more robust. The module includes a better user interface for defining layout. Conveyor sections can be drawn, joined together, and resized with simple mouse movements. Once the system is laid out, you can specify customizable conveyor types for each section. This gives you control over a multitude of different parameters, including speed, acceleration and deceleration, spacing, and much more. Conveyor types also partner well with the new merge controller object to make slug building a snap. If you've been looking for an intuitive and powerful way to control slug building and release criteria, you've come to the right place. Add in options for power and free systems and more realistic picking, and you'll start to scratch the surface of what FlexSim's conveyor module can do.